Well, we thought it was really important to have the Parent Participation Conference today because we know this has been a challenging year for local parent carer forums, but there's still been huge amounts of work that's been going on with some really great outcomes. And so part of the purpose of today is to enable forums to share that. The other thing is that there are some really important developments going on in health. So we're looking at the NHS Health Outcomes Forum and seeing how parents can make sure they have a really strong input into that. We also have the delivery partners from the Department for Education's SEND programme here today to talk about how their work is impacting on the development of services for disabled children.
Because of the changes that are happening to the NHS at the moment, there's much more a requirement on commissioners and health service managers to really involve patients and service users in the way services are delivered. And this really provides an opportunity for parent forums to actually go in there and start having conversations with commissioners, but also with the clinical commissioning groups who are going to be taking over commissioning services, to actually make sure they understand really what it's like to have a disabled child, what sort of services they need.
I think I was actually excited that this was the first national event for parent carer forums, and I think it's nice to have that reassurance that you're not there working in isolation, that this is nationwide.
It's really important to see what other forums are doing and to see how the national network is developing, because it's something I haven't had personal engagement with before.
When we say we need more joined up services, we need professionals to liaise with each other so that we're not telling the same story over and over again, and I really feel like that's being listened to.
I think one of the most important messages that we have heard today, and which I passionately believe in, is parents are the experts in their children and in the lives of disabled children. So what matters most is making sure that parents are influencing the decisions that commissioners make, that politicians make, that civil servants make around services and systems which support families with disabled children.
There's an awful lot of changes in children's lives at the moment, and with all the health changes and education changes, this is not the time for us to duck out. It's to help each other have our voices heard collectively.
There's a sense of energy, I think, and there's a sense of direction, and we have spent the last year wondering whether we were going to survive. Well, I think we have, and if we lean on each other a bit more, we probably can continue to do so.
We miss everybody that isn't here, and we think of all forums. It's not about just one forum, and where one forum does really well, we share that, we talk, we're a massive network, so it's all good even if you're not here.
And now I've seen that we are not by ourselves. It's a big organization. We can address our issues together, take it to the local and also to the national level.